Are you in the USA and looking for real ways to make extra money? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 proven methods to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a month. No big investment needed. These aren't scams or penny-paying surveys. We're talking about real, reliable income streams. Whether you have special skills or are starting from scratch, there's something here for you. Watch till the end for a step-by-step plan to start earning today. Let's dive right in. First up, freelancing. If you have any skill like graphic design, writing, video editing, or coding, you can start earning fast. Create a profile on sites like Fiverr or Upwork, showcase your best work, and set your prices. Even beginners can land jobs by starting with lower rates to build up reviews. As your portfolio and ratings grow, so does your income. Some freelancers make 6 figures from home. All you need is a laptop and internet. No office, no boss. Don't let your skills sit idle, turn them into cash. Spend an hour today making your profile shine. The freelance economy is booming. Jump in now. Thousands are making a living this way. Why not you? Start freelancing and take control of your income. Next, remote customer support jobs. All you need is a clear voice and basic English. Companies are hiring people to help customers from home. No experience needed. Search remote customer service on job boards like Indeed or remote.co. Pay ranges from $15 to $25 an hour, and bilingual speakers are in high demand. You get steady pay, benefits, and total flexibility. Work in your pajamas. Just a quiet space, internet, and a headset, and you're set. If you like helping people, this is a great, stable option. Start applying today. Your new job could be a click away. Selling on Amazon is a proven way to make serious money. Use FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, to let Amazon handle shipping and customer service, or FBM, Fulfilled by Merchant, to do it yourself. Start by selling items from around your house or sourcing popular products. Find products with high demand and low competition. Think phone accessories, kitchen gadgets, or niche items for your community. With the right product, people are making $2,000, $5,000, or more each month. Amazon gives you access to millions of buyers instantly. You don't need a warehouse, just a smart strategy. Learn the basics, pick a product, and get started. E-commerce is booming. Grab your share now. Want to share your story or passion? Start a YouTube channel or Instagram account. You don't need fancy gear, your phone is enough. Share tips, vlogs, or hacks for your community. There's a huge audience waiting. Make money from ads, brand deals, and Instagram's Reels bonus program. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience. As your following grows, so do your earnings. Some creators make thousands per post. Build a personal brand and open doors to new opportunities. Start today. Someone out there needs your story. Your unique voice can become your biggest asset. The future is here. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to make money. Write ebooks with AI, design covers on Canva, and sell on Amazon KDP for passive income. Offer AI-powered services on Fiverr, like resume writing or blog content. Start a blog, use AI for content ideas, and monetize with ads. Don't just copy, add your own insights and personality. AI lets you work faster and smarter, multiplying your output. Pick a niche you know, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. This is an income accelerator. Learn it now for a huge advantage. The opportunity is massive and growing every day. Use AI to build your next income stream. You've seen 5 real ways to make money in the USA. No excuses. Pick one method and start today. The only thing stopping you is taking action. Consistency beats perfection. Make small progress every day. Your future self will thank you for starting now. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Comment below which method you'll try first or want to learn more about. Thanks for watching. Your journey to $5,000 a month starts